All right, we're gonna take a little ride here in a little short bed hauler, 2014 Ram 1500. Now this one's got the 6-speed transmission, and of course it's got the HEMI in it. And that's got all the modern car stuff. It's, you know, got your 4-wheel disc brakes, air conditioning, AM, FM, Bluetooth, tilt steering. I mean, you know,
got a tow controller here.
Yeah, exactly.
Special
Here,
order.
let me show you a little interior thing. Look at that nice little stereo, air conditioning. You know, the little the brake controller for the when you're hauling a little trailer there. And
they actually get decent gas mileage because they put a 6-speed automatic transmission with that big HEMI, and it's a short bed, so it's actually got a lot of power.
Yeah, yeah, no, that's a pretty cool. It's got 20-inch wheels on there. You know, it's got the trailer wiring, so you can everything's ready to go. So you can, if you need to haul a trailer for you know, like business or something, or if you want to haul one, you know,
jet
take
skis,
your family, jet skis, yeah, all that stuff.
Got a nice shell on it too, the DACO shell, color matched. And,
yeah, I don't know, you can't, yeah, you can see it's dark back there. That's it. You know,
it's got a spray-in liner, and it's a one owner. It's got low miles on it, Gary. The thing's only got like 46,000.
Yeah, 46,000. Oh yeah, look at that HEMI power. Woohoo!
She got a HEMI in it.
Yeah. Nah, really neat truck for somebody to, you know, use. You know, you can, like I say, haul a little trailer or something like that, or
small enough
business.
too. You can drive it around. You know, you can go through a drive-through.
Well, you got to drive it around.
Yeah, you can actually use it. You can fit places and park it.
Yeah. Hey, you know, we always get all kinds of fun stuff here. You know, whether it's for utility or hot rods, that's it, man. We got it. All right, we're gonna come up here in our picture spot and photograph this beaut. All right, here's a nice 2014 Ram 1500. It's got the HEMI, 5.7 liter. Got a nice 6-speed transmission backing that up. Nice little hauler, color match shell. This is a nice little thing. You can haul your either your utility trailer if you want to use it for work, or a little trailer there for camping. You know, if you want to go with family somewhere. It's got the hookups right there, so you can just plug right in. Really nice car. It's got 46,000 miles on it. Runs really well. Of course, it's got all the, you know, features of, you know, 4-wheel disc brakes, air conditioning, power steering. It's you know, comfortable ride. Looks pretty good too. I'm going to show you the interior on this truck in a couple seconds, and it's got little step bumpers there, so it's a little easier to get in. All right. Got cloth seats. It's not a crew cab or anything, obviously, and so yeah, just a couple people in here, so you know, you can't have a giant family. You used to be able to ride them in the back, but not anymore. And, you know, everything looks nice here. Got the radio, air conditioning. Pretty good car. Pretty good car. Nice and fun, easy, works great. All right, here's the power plant. 5.7 liter HEMI. Nice and powerful. Everything looks nice and clean underneath here. Car runs great. Got a lot of horsepower. Like I said, it's got all the standard stuff like all the new cars, air conditioning, power steering, power disc brakes, 6-speed auto, like I said. Nice car. We're gonna go ahead and start it up. Nice and quiet up here. Let me run over to the back. Yeah, it's got a little bit of a rumble. Well, we got this nice looking truck here, available here at California Cars. We're located in Simi Valley. You can give us a call, 818-591-1313. You can speak to Rich or Gary. We'd be more than happy to show you this nice truck. Good for work, good for play.